Skytrain. This is Lumpini Park. I don't know if that's pronounced Lumpini or Lumpini. Lumpini. Yeah, so there's a statue over there. So you could do cycling here, you could just laze around, and I think there's a lake over there. I did my own business when I saw this. Oh my god, I don't think it's a pet. I think it's natural here. So, that was a spooky moment. I almost stepped on it actually. So baby, let's go. Yes, we're still stalking baby alligator over here. Now it's swimming. This is so National Geographic. Love it. Swim! Where's it going? Now there are two of them. One over there and another over there. Who's freaking out? There's another one over there. I don't think it's fake. I don't know if it's dead or resting, but this one's bigger. And, oh my god. Hi. It's freaky. Anyway, this is one of those. I think those are crows. Anyway, they are big. I'm amazed at the diversity, the biodiversity in this place. You know, it seems like you can find everything, anything in here, from reptiles to different kinds of birds and stuff. Old people. Yeah, so I think I like Lumpini Park. Lumpini Park, there's no H. So we're staying here for a while before we go to Siam Paragon. So there's a white bird over there with a long neck. Cool. Just be careful, you might step on some monitor lizard while walking. So you don't want that to happen. You see, there's another one. This one is long tail. Really surprises me when I see one. Hi! Shopping daw siya sa Paragon. Siam Paragon. Bye! Doon yung Siam Paragon sa kabila, tanga. So here at Lumpini Park, I actually thought that that pink creature over there was a flamingo. Turns out to be a human being sleeping. Yeah. So aside from children, the park also features giant fish. Play space for kids. I see multiracial children over there. I think I found their grandma over here. Ooh, that's a big one. That's almost a crocodile over there. Hi. You're scaring me. And you thought you run out of more creatures to see. There's a turtle over here. Yes, that one. Turtle! It's a good thing they don't eat each other. And there's another iguana thing swimming over there. I can't read Thai, but judging from this picture, it means 40 per hour. You can ride on those plastic ducks and stuff. Maybe swim with the monitor lizards. Another one. There's like a convention here or something that I don't know about. Now at the entrance of Chulalongkorn University, and this is the map of the university itself. Quite big. think this is the Faculty of Political Science or Department. I don't know. We're already at one of the exits. The university actually covers a lot of ground, stretching lots of blocks over there. We'll not be exploring it all. We're just going to turn right towards Siam Square, and in front of it is Siam Paragon. In a way, it's like UP, smaller version, like a mix of Ateneo and UP. Yeah, but smaller. So the Faculty of Arts is just across the street, along with other faculties in the university. Still at Chula.